To enable Team Create in your game, first thing you want to do is to publish your game first, and then come over here, click on Collaborate, search for the person you want to add, for example, iGamer V, and this here is the person I want to add to my team. Just click on the person. You can see iGamer, the developer, has been added to my team. He has edit authority. If I want to give the person only play authority so that they can only test the game but not editing the game, you can choose play here. But in this case, I want to give iGamer, the developer, edit authority so that he can help me building this game. Once you're done, just click on save. And that is how you add a person to your team. On the other hand, if you want to work on games that other people have shared with you, what you're going to do is still open up Roblox Studio. On this next screen, click on Experiences. And then click on Shared with Me. On this screen here, you will find all the games that has been shared with you. And you can go and select the game that you want to edit. Just click on it to edit. Now, in case I no longer want to share this game with the person, I can go and click on Collaborate up here. And then go to the person and click on the X to remove the person. Now, iGamer, the developer, no longer has access to my game. Just remember to click on Save here. And finally, if you want to turn off Team Create altogether for this game, you can click on View, click on Team Create, 3 dots here, click on the 3 dots. And click on Disable Team Create. Are you sure you want to turn Team Create off? Click on Yes. Now Team Create has been turned off for this game. Turn it on by clicking on Collaborate here. And then just add the person as we done before. Select the person. And you see a message here that says saving these changes will turn on Team Create. So just click on Save and Team Create is turned on automatically. Alright guys, that is all you need to know about Team Create in Roblox.